So in this video I'm going to talk you through how to do direct proportion problems where you're asked to find a formula. So here's an example question. Y is directly proportional to the square of x when y is equal to 24, x is equal to 2. Find the value of y when x is equal to 4. So here's the way we approach this. You work y, and there's a special symbol that's used. This is a symbol for proportion. Y is in proportion, now it says the square of x. So y is in proportion to x squared. The next line you're working should write y is equal to something multiplied by x squared. So you can replace this proportion sign with this. Now, it says when y is equal to 24, so when y is equal to 24, x is equal to 2. So we don't know what k is, but we know that x is equal to 2. 2 squared. So therefore, 24 is equal to k, which we don't know yet, multiplied by 4. Now our objective is to find out what k is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So that means if I divide this side by 4, I get k on its own, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. So now I have established a value of k. That means I can substitute this value of k back into my original formula. So I can now say that y is equal to 6 times x squared. Or more accurately, I can write y is equal to 6x squared. Now that's a formula. The question says, find the value of y when x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, y will equal 6 times 4 squared. Y will be 6 times 16. That means y will equal 96. Right, here's one for you to do. Pause the video and have a go. So, C is directly proportional to the square root of y. That means C is equal to k times the square root of y. It tells me that when C is 12.8, I don't know what k is, but I do know that y is 16. So that means 12.8 is equal to k times 4. And now I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides. Divide this by 4 leaves me with k. Divide this by 4 leaves me with 3.2. So k is equal to 3.2. So substituting k back into my original formula, I've got c is equal to k is 3.2 times the square root of y. So that's my answer there. C is 3.2 square root of y. So I've expressed C in terms of y. Now it says find C when y is equal to 400. So I know my formula. C is equal to 3.2 times the square root of y. Find C when y equals 400. 3.2 times the square root of 400. 3.2 times square root of 400 is 20. So C is equal to 64.